Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labour right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Ball out! Whoa, yo. We need help, Jesus. Jamaica need help. Shift the parliament. Shift the election. Shift everything. Remove them out there. Take out the cockroach. Take out the thief. Take out the criminal them. Take out the thief them. Take out the murderer them. Take out the gang leader them. Out of parliament. Take them out. From Portland. Take them out. I hear Portland. Me I go to Portland. Why me I travel to Portland? Take out somebody. Man or woman.
Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is apologizing for comments he made about the appropriate time period for reporting sexual harassment. Mr. Chuck has faced criticisms for the comments, which many say were insensitive. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck at Wednesday's Joint Select Committee on the proposed sexual harassment bill. He commented on the time frame within which a non-criminal sexual harassment complaint can be made.
We don't want the situation that now happens in the Me Too movement
Yes.
in the US,
Yes.
where 30 years later,
Yes.
you talk about I was arrested in the
Yes.
elevator.
Yes.
No, if you don't complain within 12 months, please, cut it off.
That comment has triggered backlash, and now he's apologizing for what he said and the manner in which he spoke.
It was not intended to undermine the seriousness of the subject and the trauma that women suffer. So that the comments where I said 12 months was just to emphasize the need that reporting should be done in a timely manner, and nothing was meant to be hurtful.
Mr. Chuck says on reflection, he understands the concerns raised by members of the public, noting that his comments displayed a lack of sensitivity. The comments have angered members of the public, including local women's rights activists. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has indicated to the international community that he would have no objection to gay persons being a part of his executive. Holness's response to journalists in Brussels, Belgium, contradicted that of Bruce Golding in a 2008 BBC Hard Talk interview.
It's not a crime. As far as I know, it's not a crime. However, one of our former prime ministers, Mr. Bruce Golding, said on Hard Talk that he will have no gays in his cabinet, and it went on to make Jamaica seem to be more of a homophobic nation than probably it actually is. Would you reiterate those words today, or would
Absolutely not. No, it's not. Firstly, it's not my business. Neither is it my interest to, and I don't. Whatever is in my discretion to distribute politically, a person's sexuality, sexual orientation is not a criteria for the use of my discretion.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey girl.
Hey Gabby, what's up? What's up?
Hey Gabby, what going on?
Alright guys, so I just checking in because remember, it's that time of the year again.
Huh? Like what you mean? Like Christmas? New Year?
Valentine? It's that time?
Guys, no. Okay, alright, that was my fault. Guys, it's time again for us to get Jamaicans registered to vote. We are looking for unregistered persons and we're encouraging them to come on the list. And those persons that we register, we want them to register some more people. Because guess what? Remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
Believe no man, we really need to do the thing.
Hey, so what about them people who live side of me this? What about my neighbor?
Hey, me no say you have no neighbor and friend. We're calling all of them because remember, we have up to March 31, the 31st of March to get people registered. So remember, friends don't let friends vote alone. So tell a friend to tell a friend.
Wait a second, Gabby. Tell a friend to tell a friend? No problem.
You're quick, sir. And the man sent out broadcast message.
Guys, we have to remember, friends don't let friends vote alone.
People, time come now.
Make the trumpets play.